Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online, and I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect if you are looking to change out your shower head like myself, and you're looking for something that's not only looks nice, but provides that nice rainfall shower and doesn't cut out on the shower pressure, which is obviously very important to me. So this is by a company called SparkPod, and it is an 8-inch by 8-inch chrome-plated shower head. This is what it looks like once you come open it up out of the box. So the first thing you'll notice, it has all these nice little precision cutouts with a bunch of rubber jets. There's 90 of them. They have that little rubber coating, which makes them super easy to clean, and it is a big fighter against that calcium buildup in the lime, which is where I have very, very hard water. And so this is very easy to basically wipe down and go ahead and break up those lime deposits and make sure that they're spraying nice and like it's brand new, essentially. Now, obviously, it's going to include some instructions that tells you how to install it. Very easy. You're just going to unscrew your shower head and then go ahead and screw this in. They are going to include Teflon tape, so that way you don't have any leaks right here at the ball bearing connection point. This does rotate, so if you need to adjust the angle, you can easily do that, which is great. It has a nice little rotating bar. It's nice and tight, so it's not going to kind of always slide down when you are essentially adjusting it. And then you're going to notice in there, it's going to have that basically filter. So this thing does have the 1.8 gallon per minute water reducer. However, if you live in a place with low water pressure and that's just not coming out strong enough, you can easily remove this, and they include a replacement for essentially the 2.5 gallon per minute restrictor, or you can just go ahead and just use that little basically screen filter to filter out the water. So depending on your gallon flows that you want, and depending on your water pressure, you're gonna have multiple options as far as adjusting it, which is absolutely great, because I've noticed no change in my water pressure, which is very important to me at least. But overall, like I said, if you're looking for a nice, classy looking kind of chrome plated shower head, this one is 8 inches by 8 inches and about 1 inch thick. Works very, very well, and I've been very pleased with it, and it's totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.